Welcome to Techi Jack. In this video we will see how to install a free SSL certificate on our website. In our last video we have just hosted our website and now we will go and try to install the SSL certificate, that is the free Let's Encrypt certificate, and we will install it through our CentOS web panel. Same way other control panel may also provide you the free Let's Encrypt certificate. You can install the free certificate there as well, but here I will show you the quick and the easy way how we can do that on our CentOS web panel. So let's move to the hosting panel and see how we can do that. So right now I am on my hosting panel, and if I go to the file manager, inside the public HTML we have our all the required files. But now if I try to open my website, you can see the TechiJack.net index.html. It says the site is not secure. Even it does not allow me to open on the Chrome browser, but if anyhow I open it on Mozilla Firefox, you are not securely connected to this site. So we don't have a SSL on this site. So if I just close it and if we go back to our hosting panel, inside the domain we have the autossl feature here. So let me go to the autossl and I will choose my domain, that is techijack.net, validating the DNS if the host A record is pointing to the server properly or not. If it finds it, it will ask you to install it. So let me select everything here and click on install. So let's wait a while and it will quickly install the SSL on the website. So you can see how easy it is to install through the CentOS web panel. Let's wait for a while. If your DNS records are properly propagated, it will install it in an easy and quick way without having any problem. You can see success, your operation has been successful. So it installed it, and if you want to test it, we can just go and click here SSL shopper. It's checking on the SSL shopper website. It's resolving to the correct IP. We have the proper certificate. If I just refresh it here, and now you can see here it says connection is secure. Now we can browse our site securely. So now we have the SSL certificate on our website. So this way you can quickly install the SSL certificate on your website if it is hosted on the CentOS web panel. I hope now you know how you can easily install the SSL certificate from the cPanel. I hope the video was informative. Let's meet in a next video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new content.